So my son loves Buzz Lightyear. So for Christmas, he's getting a Buzz Lightyear bike with training wheels. The bike isn't heavy. It is the Huffy Easy build. No tools are required. So let's see how easy it is to put it together. He's 3. They're big nails, staples. This is the contents of the bike. So if you don't know, I have twins, and so if you were curious about my daughter, she has the Paw Patrol Sky Bike. The wheels are in 12-inch tricycle. I did not record a video putting it together, but if you would like to see a video of it and the specs, I can do that. Just comment below and let me know. you just watch me put the bike together with absolutely no tools. You can see it said Buzz to the rescue. On the front it says Space Ranger Lightyear. It has the reflector in the front. The pedals fold in and out. Has Buzz here. So the wheel size is 12 inches and the rider height is 2 feet to 3 feet and 2 inches. You can adjust the back of the seat. You can take the training wheels off with the button. It was very easy to do and put up. It has a limited lifetime warranty for the frame and fork. I think this is a very cool feature of the buttons on the top of the bike. You press them and the wings come out. He's a big Buzz Lightyear fan, so I'm sure he's gonna really love it. It has reflectors on the front and the back of the bike. So yeah. All right, thank you for watching. I hope this helped if you was wondering how to put this bike together. It's very easy to do and I didn't use any tools. So if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Love you.